Hello and good morning all of you. So in the last video I explained about the header and footer. I hope you have properly understood the concept. Now I'll explain about footnote and endnotes. What are these? So foot and end, both the meaning is that they are in the bottom side. They will be placed in the bottom. So they provide explanations, comments or references for text in a document. That means suppose some words need some additional information also. Suppose this endnote, this word, particular word, you want to give some additional information. Then where will you give the additional information? So in the bottom side, here in the bottom. Okay. Then how a person knows that where is the information? Then he gives some mark or any number here. Okay, any mark dot or number 1, number 2, anything. And same this one number is written here in the bottom side and the information is written here. So in this way in the computer also you can do the same thing. These are the footnotes and endnotes. So where footnote is placed, footnotes appear at the bottom of the page. Okay, in the bottom of the page means individual page, the footnote can be inserted, whereas endnotes appear at the end of the document or section, and endnotes is placed where at the end of the whole document. Suppose you have 10 pages in a document, so at the last page, okay, 10 number page, endnote can be inserted and footnotes can be inserted in the individual pages at the bottom of the page. Okay, this is the difference between them. So footnote or endnote consists of two linked parts, a note reference mark and note text. So note reference mark is next to the relevant text. Okay, note reference mark means it is near to the text in the main document. It can be number, a character, combination of characters like this. It indicates the additional information to be found in the linked footnote or endnote. Just now I have explained all these things. So this underlined parts you should always remember. Okay. So footnote and endnote can be of any length. So you can write the information of any length. You can format it just as you would format in any other text. Okay. Now these are the steps how to insert the footnote or endnote. So in the next page it is given, this is the dialog box of footnote or endnote. In the dialog box you will find everything how to insert. These are the symbols, which symbol you want to insert, all these things. Okay. So this one example is given. See here. This paragraph is written and this basic is written. So in front of basic, okay, in the top of basic 1 is written, number 1 is written. That means I want to give additional information about the word basic. So in 1 is written, that means the reader will go below here. So in the below side the meaning of basic is given. So 1 number written, basic stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, so in this way additional information can be given in the bottom of the page. And this course, here it is written 2, that means additional information about this course word, it is also here present, okay, in the bottom side. So in this way footnote and this endnote works. Let's start the practical. Now you can see here in the screen, we'll start the Microsoft Word. Okay, so we'll go to all programs, or here it is listed, see, Microsoft Word. So I have made this program, this I have written this thing, whatever the example which is given in the book. Okay, this is the example given in the book. Okay, so this paragraph is given in the book, the same example. I want to give some additional information about basic and this course. Okay, so how to insert any symbol or any number here. Okay, place the cursor wherever you want to give the number. So I have placed the cursor here. Okay, so you can place the cursor anywhere which you want to give the information. Now go to what? References. Okay, now go to reference tab. In the reference tab you will see here this insert endnote. Okay, it is given here insert endnote. Now see how to insert. Place the cursor where you want to insert the footnote. Okay, so here the cursor is after basic, so I will click in the insert endnote. See, the one will be written here. Okay, see here the dialog box of footnote and endnote has come here. So we'll work with the dialog box later on. First of all, let's see how to insert it. So when we click, the dialog box will come, insert endnote. See here. See, the one is written and in the below side this one has come. Okay. Now again we can write here anything whatever you want. Okay, any information. And suppose we want to give the footnote here in the curve. So place the cursor here and again click the insert endnote. See now here two number has come here, number 2 written, and here also number 2 written. Okay, so in this way you can write anything here about the course. So in this way footnote can be inserted. So you can see it is very near to the paragraph. If you want to place the footnote in the bottom of the page, what we do, let's see. Okay, to insert footnote at the bottom of the page, then click on this footnote group here. You can see this arrow, then click on this arrow, then you will get this dialog box. So footnote and endnote dialog box. So here footnote written, okay, and bottom of the page. You want to give the footnote at the bottom of the page. So click here. Now it is shown, it is selected. Okay, now here the number of format. What number of format you want to insert? 1, 2, 3 or ABC, like this, anything. If you give 1, 2, 3, then it will be inserted like this in the bottom of the page. Now click on insert. Okay, click on insert. Now you can see it is in the below side. Now see, it is given in the below side. Okay, now see here one is written. So in this way you can give it in the bottom of the page. In the bottom of the page. Now if you want to give any symbol rather than this 1, 2 anything, now again click on this arrow, then dialog box will come. Now see here written symbols. Okay, click on symbols, then you will get the symbol window. Then there are many types of symbols. I select this symbol, okay, or this heart symbol. Okay, now click insert. Click on OK here in the below. Now it is closed. Now insert here. Now see at the bottom of the page, now this heart shape has come in the bottom of the page. And at the in front of the basic also this heart shape has come. Okay. So in this way you can give any number or symbol, anything to your footnote or endnote. Understood about the footnote and endnote? Now in the next page, see page backgrounds. In the page background topic, then the subtopic is adding watermarks. How can you add watermarks to your document or page? Watermark is what? Watermark is a text or a picture placed behind the document text. That means something you have written in the page, and behind the writing you want to add your name, your company name, or anything you want, confidential, anything you want, so that it cannot be copied by any other person. That's why watermark is given. So how to insert the watermark we'll see now. And the next topic is what? Changing page color. So by default the color of the page is always white, so you can change the color of the page also. Okay, so this is the last topic. Let's see the practical. Now suppose I have written here these things. This is my page. I want to add watermark on this page. So how to add watermark? Go to page layout tab. So this is page layout tab. In page layout tab you will see page background group. This is page background group. Click on watermark. You can see watermark. So you can see here different types of format is given. This diagonal, this horizontal, this again diagonal. So these are the watermark. Suppose I click on this confidential, this type of format. Click on this. Now see this. Here you can see it has come here. This confidential. It is written in the page. Okay. So in this way it can be written like this format. This is called watermark. Again if you click, again this is confidential. So now you can see the confidential written in this way. Okay. You can change the color of this also. So how to change the color and everything? You can write your name also or a company name also. Suppose now click here custom watermark. So when you click custom watermark, then the watermark dialog box will appear now. Okay, so this is the watermark dialog box, printed watermark. So you can see here no watermark is written. That means there is no watermark. If you do not want any watermark, and the next is text watermark. When you click on this text watermark, now you can write anything here in the text. Okay, so in the text, suppose I write wisdom. Okay, so I have written wisdom here. Now you will see that wisdom will be written on the background. Click apply, close. Now you can see wisdom is written. Okay, so in this page the watermark of wisdom is here, and you can change the color also. Again go to custom watermark. Now see here color is given, so you can give the other color also. Suppose I give this blue color, click apply. Now you can see in the background this blue color watermark is appeared. Okay, so understood about the watermark. This is called a text watermark, and I can give the picture watermark also. Here you can see picture watermark. Click on this picture watermark and select picture. So you can select any picture from here, any picture from your folder. Click on this. Suppose I click on this. So let's see some from other places. Okay, now see, I want to add this penguin picture. Okay, now click on penguin, then click on insert. Okay, now click on apply. Now you can see the picture of penguin has come here. You can see properly the watermark of penguin has come on your page. So in this way you can add any watermark, picture watermark, and also the text watermark. Understood? Now I will explain you, now show you how to add different colors on your page. It is very simple. So by default the color of the page is always white. So to add color, again go to page layout. It is already selected, and go to page background group again. That means near watermark. This page color is given, so click on page color. Now you can see different colors are there. So when you move the pointer, okay, the color will change according to the color. See here, okay, it is changing. So you can give any color and click on it. See, the color has come, and that is our watermark. Understood? So in this way you can add any color to our page also. So in this way this chapter is complete. So I have shown you all the practicals. I hope you have understood. So practice it properly and read it properly. Okay, thank you.